So this is the next notion with impulse, is that they think you should be able to look at a force versus time graph and realize that impulse is the area under the graph. Be able to interpret force versus time graphs and realize that impulse is the area under that graph. Well, that's all well and good, right? Okay. Our force here is 40 newtons, yes?
Yes.
And the time is 6 seconds. So 40 times 6 is 240. Guys, hello? 240 Newton seconds of impulse. Okay? So that's the notion there. So what if I gave you a more difficult one like that? Well, let's do it all together. How do you find the area under that graph? Well, two ways. One way is you can make it into a rectangle and a triangle, right? Or you can just look at what's the average height of this thing. Well, the average height is, it starts at 40, goes to 100. The average of that is 70, isn't it? Yeah? So it's 70 for how many seconds? 8 seconds, yes. 70 for 8 seconds is 560. Okay? Gentlemen, can I interrupt? Thank you. Okay, the other way to do it is you can go rectangle, triangle. The rectangle here is 40 times 8, 320, yes? And the triangle is 1/2 8 times 60. Yeah? Is that right? Is that right, the triangle?
No, it's 1/2. Yeah.
1/2 8 times 60, so you can go 320 plus 1/2 8 times 60. Well, that's 480. That makes that 240. 240 plus that is also 560. Yeah. Either way works. It doesn't really matter. Why don't you guys try this one? Now check these out. Da 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 cha 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 cha. How does the second one's impulse compare to the first one? Second one, first one, second one, first one, second one. More or less impulse? Less impulse. There you go. Try to figure that one out. You can still go rectangle, triangle. You can also go rectangle, trapezoid, trapegoidal, dodecahedron. I don't know, what is that called? What is that? Is that a trapezoid?
That's a trapezoid.
But it's a special trapezoid.
It's a right trapezoid.
A right trapezoid?
Yes.
Is that right, like W-R-I-G-H-T?
Yeah.
Or right as in R-I-G-H-T?
No, W-R.
No, like right.
Yeah.
Like Wright-Patterson Air Force Base.
Yep.
We are so full of...
Hayden, put a sticker on that. So you turn your shirt all the way around instead of asking.
Without taking his shirt off, that's right. That's good. Less distracting for the ladies. I don't get that number. Yeah, I get that number. Yeah, I get that number. 70, I don't get that number. I get 400 more than that. Yeah. Can you sing that in a song? What you're explaining? That's right. You just take the base rectangle. Two ways to do it. I'm going to divide it up this way, right? 40 by 3, that's 120. Yeah.
Can we just like go down the roast?
Harry.
We've already heard that like 4 times. Well, no eye contact. Everybody stay right out of it. I'm gonna look down and sit down. Stay in line.
Love me tender,
Love me sweet,
never let me go.
don't let go.
You have
Made life complete,
and I love you so.
love you so.
Love me tender, love me true. All my dreams fulfill for my darling. I love you, and I always will.
Woo! Take the way I broke that out there.
That was nice.
Don't.
Good one, ladies. I set out on a narrow way 20 years ago, hoping I could find true love along the broken road. But I got lost a time or two, wiped my brow and kept pushing through. I couldn't see how every sign led me straight to you. Every long lost stream led me to where you are. Others who broke my heart, they were like northern stars, pointing me on my way into your loving arms. This much I know is true, that God blessed the broken road that led me straight to you.